scene, it appears the left rear tire burst before the BMW lost control and crashed into the roadside guardrail. The incident happened on the N1 highway of Cape Town. Not respecting speed limits is one of the main causes of accidents, but luckily in this situation, both the driver and passengers were fine. Pedestrians were extremely panicked when a criminal's car crashed towards them. Immediately after that, the criminal received the fate he deserved. What did this driver do while driving? People have the money to buy a car, but do not have the maturity and ability to own it. Shocking footage captures the moment of impact when a train hits a truck and the driver narrowly escapes death. Thank God no one was hurt.
Oh gosh, look at that smoke.
The truck driver behind did not keep a safe distance from the vehicle in front, leading to loss of control and hitting another truck. The woman carelessly ran in front of the truck when crossing the road, causing a serious accident. Remember that drivers only give way to you in cemeteries. The Volvo truck accident with its excellent braking system saved driver Matisse's life, and the truck driver's reaction makes us think he is an artist. The ramp rollover competition at Speedway Warrenton was highly entertaining. The driver with the most spectacular rollover wins the competition. Enjoy these thrilling moments and stay with us for more collision action. Good. A major incident in the racing tournament caused two riders to crash their cars into the water. Luckily, both were fined.
Cancel. Kom, we moeten eruit. Ja.
Video of a head-on collision near Zamoli. The driver fell asleep behind the wheel, and a terrible accident occurred. Who is to blame? To me, it's the people filming the video. Please look carefully before crossing the street. Motorcyclists only look ahead, otherwise they will see a passenger car moving behind, and the consequences will be serious. Can you guess who is wrong in this situation? Please comment and let us know. Leave 1 if the truck is wrong, and number 2 if the car is wrong. Keep your hands on the steering wheel when going through curves, especially at night. The car lost control while entering a curve, causing it to overturn and be thrown off the road. Luckily, no one was injured. A collision took place when a car violated traffic laws and went into the opposite direction and directly hit a truck, causing two vehicles to be seriously damaged, with many broken pieces scattered on the road. What happened to the bus? The bus lost control and crashed into a power pole and fell, causing the front of the bus to be cut in half. The SUV was running at a speed of more than 120 km per hour, while the maximum allowed speed was 60, so it crashed into a car crossing the road. Loss of concentration and the extreme speed of the elements coincide in horrific accidents, like this car. Oh my God, a passenger car suddenly lost control, slid on the highway, and crashed into the cars in front of it, creating a multi-car accident. A truck sank into a river after the driver tried to cross a flooded road. Water entered the engine, causing the vehicle to stall. Someone wanted to show off his full power in his Lamborghini Solaris, but something went wrong, and luckily everyone was lucky. It's scary. An out-of-control car driving fast on the road seems lucky that no one was injured. A collision occurred when one car did not turn on its signal and the other car did not brake in time. A serious accident on a highway that sends a car and driver into an extremely dangerous mid-air spin. A car was trying to turn onto the tracks when it unfortunately encountered an oncoming train. From the car parts flying on the road, it can be seen that this was a serious accident, but fortunately did not affect the people around. 8. Always pay attention when crossing the street, and do not stop with the turn signal on. One horribly. A large cargo truck crashed directly into vehicles stopping at red lights on the road. On the freeway, the SUV changed lanes trying to get away from the pursuing police and lost control, hitting the median, other vehicles, and ultimately flipping over. No matter what, driving in a hurry is dangerous, as the car in the video paid a heavy price for its actions. Train leveled a cargo truck when the truck got stuck while crossing the street because of its low chassis and no warning sign for heavy vehicles. A huge snowstorm took place, causing the roads to be delayed, but a truck started, and unfortunately, it collided with the remaining vehicles. Thick snow and ice caused a bus to slide uncontrollably on the road.
Hey! Guys! Get out of the car!
A collision occurred when a training vehicle hit another vehicle parked on the side of the road. Just entering the track, the red car had an accident. Thanks to the pre-installed airbags, the car was less injured. Too bad this racer couldn't keep his composure. He crashed in the first turn, and the following turns did the same until he was thrown off the track. A driver crashed a Nissan GTR after leaving a car meet at CCSU Car Show. A car travels at breakneck speed on a curve, and as a result loses control of the steering wheel. An oncoming ambulance crashed into cyclists waiting at the traffic light. A minivan lost control on the highway and crashed into a barrier. Unbelievable. A terrible accident occurred when the car lost control, rushed off the road at high speed, and caused serious consequences. It seems that the truck had brake problems or the driver did not think of stopping the speed near the toll booth, which was a mistake. The truck crushed the car, and this is a warning to all traffic participants to raise awareness, focus on observing, and obey traffic rules when traveling on the road. An extremely silly mistake when this cargo truck was loaded too high, causing unsafe for other means of transport. A train crashed into a large truck and pulled it like a toy, causing the truck to be destroyed and the